We had done till question number 20. Now it's question number 21. Endosperm is consumed by developing embryo in the seed of our options are coconut, castor, pea and maize, and our correct answer is P. We know that there are two types of seed, endospermic and or albuminous seeds, or non-endospermic or ex-albuminous seed. So P comes in non-endospermic seed in which there is no endosperm or endosperm is completely consumed. Question number 22. In humans, at the end of first meiotic division, the male germ cells differentiate into. So our correct answer is primary. Secondary spermatocytes. We know that spermatogonia first divides mitotically. That is its first mitotic division. In this, it divides into two daughter cells which have same number of chromosomes, and that cells are primarily called spermatogonium. Then they mature and form primary spermatocytes, and then it undergoes first meiotic division in which its number of chromosomes are reduced to half, and it is known as secondary spermatocyte, which is haploid, and then it divides mitotically and forms spermatids, and then after maturation it forms sperms. So our correct answer is secondary spermatocytes. Now question number 23. In the DNA molecule, so our correct answer is there are two strands which run anti-parallel. One is 5-3- direction and other in 3-5- direction. We had studied this in molecular basis of inheritance, in which DNA is very important in translation, transcription, more important in transcription. Now our question number 24 is, consider the following four measures A to D that could be taken to successfully grow chickpea in an area where bacterial blight disease is common. So our correct answer is B, A and B, in which spray with Bordeaux mixture and control of the insect vector of the disease pathogen. Now our question number 25th is, the rupture and fractionation do not usually occur in the water column in vessel or tracheids during the ascent of sap, because ascent of sap is the flow of water from root to different parts of the plant. So our correct answer is cohesion and adhesion. These are the forces which help in transferring flowing of water. These are forces which help in. Question number 26 is, the blood calcium level is lowered by the deficiency of. So our correct option is parathormone. Question number 27 is, about 70% of total global carbon is found in. So our correct answer is oceans. Question number 28. Which one of the following is heterosporous? Heterosporous means the two different type of spores which are formed by plants, which is microspore and second is megaspore. Two of them are of different sizes. So this happens in Salvinia. Question number 29 is, dry indehiscent single seed fruit formed from bicarpellary syncarpous inferior ovary. So our correct option is Capsella.